What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will be installing some Baja Designs S2 Sport pair, the cornering LED lights. They're the white ones on this 2025 Toyota Tundra, and they're gonna be mounted right over here underneath the bumper. And the way that I'm gonna hook it up, right, obviously you could just put a switch to the lights from inside the cab to turn it on and off, right? Or you could rig it up to whenever you go in reverse, the lights come on as well. But the way that I want to do it is I want to have the best of both worlds. I want to be able to the Baja Designs to turn on when the reverse lights come on, and then as I'm driving for some reason, or if I need to turn on those lights instead of just putting a reverse, I could hit a button inside to turn on the lights. So far I already have the aux beam installed. It'll be one of these switches buttons over there, but let me get you guys set up and we'll unbox this Baja Designs. All right, like I said, these are the S2 Sports from Baja Designs, and obviously I already opened it up. These are it right here. I put this attachment on here, right? Some mounting hardware, electrical connections, more electrical connections. There's the other one. Some stickers, warranty, and then your wiring harness, which I don't plan on using. But yeah, whenever the reverse lights turn on, I want these to come on. And then a switch from inside the cab. I want to be able to operate these from inside the cab without going in reverse. So let me get all the wiring. Oh, hold on one second. This is the way how I'm going to wire everything up. Now, this is just the way that I'm doing it, right? I'm not an electrician. You guys do it however you want to do it. But this is a 5-pin relay. I need to get 12 volts from the battery, come into the relay. The tail lights will trigger on the Baja Designs lights. So both the tail lights would be on, and then the Baja Designs. This is my ground, and then this is my aux beam, turning on, powering it on from here, and then turning this on right here. And what I don't want to do is whenever I turn on the aux beam, I don't want to backfeed into my tail lights or my reverse lights, right? And then have that come on with my Baja Designs. So I want them to be independently. So let me get set up and then I'll give a status update. All right, quick update. I have drilled into the hitch, put a riv nut, got a longer bolt. So I just, it's just same thing as the one that comes with Baja Designs. And I'm just gonna throw a little spacer in there so it could just hang below this part, but works perfectly fine. But when mounting these just like this, right, it's upside down, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap this lens around. Okay, so in order to take apart these S2s, you got 4 Allen keys, and we're just gonna flip this lens around. What I'm using is Harbor Freight's little icon, little tool set, and using this to take it apart. This is my first time taking this apart, any Baja Designs. So let's take a look at what's inside. See the gasket material right there. I don't have to do anything else. Let's take a look. Yeah, so if anybody's wondering what the inside of a S2s look like, here it is. So now let's flip this around, put it all back together. Here it is. I'm gonna swap out this one and then put all the hardware on here to get it mounted onto the truck. All right, so another update. Mounted them up. They look pretty good right there. Pretty good visibility. As you can see, I just threw in spacers, some washers, bolted it up. Little blue Loctite. It's not going anywhere. This is my harness that I got, that I made up. This is gonna go to the switch panel and 12-volt constant. This is my ground, and then the blue and one of them is gonna be the Baja designs, go straight to the Baja designs, and this one is the reverse signal. So I'm gonna have to do some research or just find out what triggers this, what sends 12 volt to this, to power that, to power the Baja designs. And then this is the original harness right here. What I'm gonna have to do is hook these up to the lights and then hook them up together somewhere. Ground on, probably ground with this one, and then send the power to coming from right over here. So let me get this all hooked up and then we'll do a demo. All right, so right now I temporary rigged up all the wiring right over here. I know it's a mess, but there's a relay over there. Power off from the switch panel, power from the 12 volts. This is my schematic that I use. You could use whatever you want, but this is just my design. Now let's go ahead and try it out. So right now, I should be able to get in the car, start it up, and then go in reverse, and then the Baja designs should turn on. There we go. As you can see, reverse lights are on. The car is in reverse. Obviously, I didn't start it, and the Baja design is on. Turns off. Now, if I need to turn those on, the Baja designs, without the reverse lights, I go ahead and turn on the switch from the switch panel. There it is. All right, yeah, so everything works right now. What I'm gonna do is just clean up all these wiring, wire loom everything, route all the lines up towards the front switch panel, and then we should be wrapping up. All right, little quick status update. All the wiring is buttoned up. You can see the lights right there. Baja designs. All right, start it up. Turn the lights on. Yeah. Oh yeah. Super bright. Shut it off. Hit it in reverse. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Look at that. Hold that. Let's see how bright it is. Oh yeah, super bright. All right, yeah, so it's all done. As you can see, everything works. The way I did my wiring, if you guys want to take a photo, it obviously works, but that's up to you. I'm not a professional electrician, but that's my little disclaimer. But yeah, let me know what you think on how I installed this on these Baja designs. Would you do it different? And I understand that they actually have the kit for it, but I didn't buy it, so I just did my own custom stuff. So I got some more lights coming for this thing, so if you would consider, please subscribe. But let me know what you think. Thank you. Bye.